This is a love reading for the sun sign Leo from February to March. In this love reading, I will be doing a heart-shaped spread, where on my left are the cards for you, Leo, and on my right are the cards for your partner, your love interest if you're married, then your spouse. So let us see what is the guidance from Tarot. Also, please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not apply to all Leo, and whatever may apply will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring? What is the strength or challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about your partner or the relationship in the future? What is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? What is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from? And this is the overall guidance from Tarot for the love reading. First of all, Leo, you are in a relationship with a partner with whom you are very compatible. You both are very gentle and you both have lot of soft strength. So there is a immense energy to persevere, to handle it your way, and not to give in to haste or force or some kind of arm twisting ways to make the other person agree. So I'm seeing very capable people here and two people who like to understand and be understood rather than, so there is no energy of exerting oneself on the other or wanting to be in the center of attention or seeking some drama in the relationship. These are two very sober, down to earth people, but amazingly capable. So very beautiful guidance here. Some of you have just found a mirror image or a mirror like compatibility for yourself in your partner. Very good guidance. So, Leo, you are someone who's doing very well. Looks like you're able to enjoy life. Some of you have worked very hard, and all that now you're surrounded with is a lot of riches and luxury. So, some of you now are able to taste the high and the good life, and it's all working out very well for you. Now, your partner is also someone who believes in living the good life and is surrounded with lot of riches and goodness around. But this partner is also someone who will take up the most challenging of things, not a partner, someone who will draw the line or will sit back to celebrate. So this is a partner, someone who will keep pushing for the next best, what more can come along. So, also when I look at these cards, I see that some of you may be coming from a very good and a privileged upbringing, or you had it all while growing up or working along. Things happened very easily for you, and your partner may have had a fairly a rough life, but they have almost mirrored the kind of success you had, but a very strong spirit, someone who will face the challenges as and when they show up, not someone who will run away or be very content very easily. So you may be dating someone very ambitious also with a lot of courage, very beautiful energy. What is the strength or challenges you bring, Leo, and what is the strength or challenges your partner brings? Somewhere you have been sad for quite some time. Maybe there was a death in the family, maybe you lost someone, and you have spent many years being lonely and sad and not really being able to recover from this pain. Maybe some dear one, someone very dear to you passed away and you have spent a lot of time being sad and grieving about this energy. So I'm seeing some kind of a emotional loss. It could be a breakup also, but something very intense and you always wanted it to work out. So while you look like you have a perfect life on the outside, you're surrounded with a lot of beauty and riches and you have a lot of high taste. Internally, you may be someone who's little bit sad and not all that recovered from what may have happened in the past. So, what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? So, Leo, your partner is someone who feels that maybe emotions can be overrated sometimes. And he or she has also been very disappointed with emotional expectations. It's quite possible that as a partner, you have probably met or dated people, or maybe not just a romantic relationship, even in work relationship, maybe you have met a lot of people who are just so unreasonable. And with your intensity and gentleness to deal with just about anything, no matter how difficult it is, and make it a success. Sometimes it just bothers you how unreasonable people can be and not be appreciative enough of all that you do. So it's quite possible that your partner feels very unrecognized or not so well rewarded for all their efforts or work. So now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? So you do see your partner as someone very well to do and he or she may have so much to show for. And it's looking like, when saw this energy itself, I know you're dating someone or you're in a relationship with someone very, very ambitious. So you see your partner as someone amazingly ambitious and has done very well for himself or herself and has a lot to show for. So it's almost like, people give examples of your partner of look how well he or she has done coming from such a difficult past or painful, difficult life. So you have lot of respect for this partner. And you see, you're this Queen of Pentacles, and you see your partner as King of Pentacles. So somewhere you know that you are a perfect match, and there is an amazing compatibility you have with this partner. So very strong and good cards. And you have lot of respect also because King is always looked up and is very very inspiring. Yeah. So you are totally in love with this partner, Leo. Now, how does your partner see you? Well, your partner feels that you always go with tried and tested and you don't take up something, where the risk is a bit too much. So your partner feels you play it very, very safe. And unlike who they are, your partner, while will keep pushing and taking up new challenges, going overboard, your partner feels you will do neither of those things. You will play it very very safe. You will take a very calculated risk, and your energy is more about just keeping it as and how good it is right now than to lose something to make it more attractive or more ambitious. So your partner feels that you may be a little bit low on taking risk. Yeah. Now with this guidance, it's also possible that Leo, your partner is not attracted to your looks or your money. He or she just likes your very basic, simple nature. So, a very genuine and a good person I'm seeing in your partner, and the whole energy of attraction is absolutely different from how a lot of people may think. So people may think that it's a relationship of lot of convenience or maybe the two of you look good, or you both are similar, or you are in a similar profession. That's why you are in a relationship. The truth is your partner just likes the very simple, straightforward person who you are, and you are not someone who will throw any surprises, and that's the energy or a quality your partner loves and likes about you. So what is the hope or fear you have about this relationship or this partner in the future, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about you or the relationship in the future? So you feel that this relationship can evolve and can be something very rewarding in the future, because you see lot of success. This is a king sitting here, so which means the position has got solidified and is also very well rewarded, because he's holding a very big cup or a trophy in his hand. So Leo, you feel that this is a rewarding relationship, and provided the two of you can continue to understand each other, there is a lot of success waiting for the two of you. Now your partner somewhere is, while they like everything about you, that, you're easy to predict and work with, and not someone who probably takes too much of risk. Your partner is has a feeling or a doubt that you may just crush their heart. And this fear your partner seems to have, maybe because of your partner has met a lot of people or has had a past relationship where people were very unreasonable with their expectations. And what this partner is doing, not many people can do. So even if they just do little, it is way more than anybody else can do in a relationship. So when they are doing their best, and then to be rejected or to be disappointed or to be let down by the partner, they feel they are not sure of how well they understand people anymore. So I am seeing this whole energy of confusion they seem to be carrying, and about the future also, maybe because of this energy of past experience, your partner feels you will crush their heart. So if Leo, when I see your cards, you're so into this partner, so much in love, and you so look up to this partner, you want to turn around, get over this past pain, what you've been dealing with, and open up emotionally, because your partner has a fear that maybe you will stick the swords, or something will go wrong or misunderstanding will happen and everything will fall apart. So you want to communicate this love and affection to this partner. So it's quite possible that you are not saying anything, you're feeling that I'm keeping all the pain in my heart and not opening up, and it's not affecting the partner, but your partner has been through a lot themselves and they're very worried and scared. So you don't want this energy to become big or intense. Right now it's hardly anything, so the two of you can maybe build something more deeper emotionally. And more so, Leo, you need to open up and be more available emotionally in the relationship. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Leo, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past energy, you felt you were not supported in your decision. Maybe you wanted to pursue a certain relationship, maybe certain job or some kind of a business. There is something that you wanted to do, but looks like you were not supported. And maybe it has just killed your spirit and you don't try to take too many risks, or maybe you went very gung-ho with wanting to achieve or get to something, and then you face that defeat or roadblock in such a mighty way that you now like to play with tried and tested. And along the way, looks like something very sad also happened. So I'm saying in the past there's a lot of things that have happened that have not worked out for you. But overall, you're very practical. You're not letting these emotions steal your present from you. Yeah. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? I'm just seeing a very credible partner here. Someone who's doing very well, materialistically. They have every comfort they can ask for, very highly looked up to, and very, very popular. Amongst people. So, a lot of people probably take examples of this partner and talk about it. And your partner is so loving and affectionate, just a heart of gold. And then they are surrounded with literally a lot of gold. I'm seeing a lot of money also, that they seem to be having and doing very well, but their heart is absolutely made of gold. So very beautiful, credible partner here. But your partner has a fear, Leo. You may just crush their heart. And it may be because of what they have experienced or because you have not emotionally opened up enough. So you want to let this partner know about how you feel, yeah? Because you feel that this is a winning relationship and it's totally going to reward you in the future. So this is how your partner should also feel and the fear should go away. So what is the overall guidance from tarot for the love reading? Oh, it's a very nice win. And I'm seeing this relationship is totally going to work out. Looks like you're going to talk and work on the doubts or fears that your partner has. Because I'm seeing the dreams have been manifested. Universe has given you what you've been looking for. So if the two of you are looking for a solid future together, it's all coming along. You're already on its way. You see this person has taken a journey. So the journey is already begun and he's already collected 1 star. So it's telling me half of you have already gotten to a certain stage in the relationship where you feel very secure also. So this is a very winning energy and it's telling me there's a lot of success and victory ahead for the two of you in the relationship. Just open up a bit and make your partner feel very secure, Leo. You need to probably be emotionally more available as well. So I'm also seeing some kind of a relocation. It's quite possible maybe at a later state the two of you may decide to relocate to some new place. Yeah. So very, very beautiful cards and a very good reading for you, Leo. So this was your love reading from February to March.